What makes a sketch powerful? It's not detail. It's capturing the essence. Watch closely. I'll show you how to sketch fast and confidently, just like the masters. Think of Rembrandt, Rubens, Degas. Their drawings look alive with only a few strokes. Why? Because they focused on the right information. Nothing extra. Here's the trick. Start with light and shadow. Shadows carry the strongest clues. Watch. If you just trace the darks, the form already begins to appear. Add a few simple lines, and suddenly you've got a sketch. No overthinking, just the essentials. Let's draw freehand. Now going to draw only the essential dark information presented in the image. See this? Just a couple of dark lines around the posture, and the figure is already alive. Here, I'm simply following the movement of the body, letting the flow guide the lines. Notice how only a few lines will depict the flow and moment of pose. You can detail the drawing as much as you need to afterwards. The basic composition of the pose is laid out. Even here, focusing only on the darks makes the drawing reveal itself. Use thin and thick lines where required. Follow the shadows and try to compose or pose with minimum visual information first. Pro tip: line quality can make or break your sketch. Watch this. Bold, heavy strokes belong in the shadows, while soft, thin lines describe highlights and lighter edges. If every line looks the same, the drawing feels flat. But when your lines follow the light, the sketch feels alive, confident, expressive. See how these sketches pop? It's all shadows and confident line work, nothing more. We are just following the shadows. Some shades are darker than others, but what matters is us following them with our pencil. Every shadow will complement the next shape you draw. So next time you sketch, don't chase detail. Capture the shadows, simplify the form, and let your lines tell the story. That's how quick sketches turn into timeless art.